When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself. Removable sticks sew right inside for an ultra-low profile. Proclaim your individuality with multiple color options and a full suite of accessories. Mavic Air redefines power and portability in a way that only DJI could make possible. And with the Mavic Air in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.
bringing new perspectives to a journey? Maybe it's a good idea. Today, we are going to introduce you to a new fellow called Vitus. It's actually the most advanced drone for aerial photography. The foldable design makes Vitus easy to carry, so you could easily capture beautiful moments from different angles wherever you are. Vitus is equipped with elaborately manufactured brushless motors which help to ensure powerful flight performance. The high-capacity intelligent batteries provide Vitus with 25 minutes of flight endurance, generating unrivaled flight experience. With highly precise sensors, the smart obstacle avoidance system on Vitus will be able to detect obstacles from the front, the left, and the right. Vitus will then immediately slow down and ensure flight safety. But how could you shoot perfect images and videos without a mini 3-axis mechanical gimbal? With the wonderfully invented gimbal, the camera will be in steady operation during the flight, easily recording wonderful moments. In this way, aerial photography will no longer be bothered by the shake. The powerful HD camera is able to shoot 12-megapixel images, 1080p videos at 60 FPS, and amazing 4K videos at 30 FPS, although it is a small device. Walkera combines essence of different techniques and brings Vitus auto selfie function so that your creative ideas could be instantly turned into reality. Afraid of unstable aircraft? Don't panic. The wonderfully designed and tested GPS and GLONASS dual-module satellite positioning system will quickly acquire satellite signals and keep precise hovering. In addition, we've installed infrared sensors and optical flow camera at the bottom of the aircraft. That way, Vitus is able to keep itself stable indoor or anywhere without satellite signals. Hey, wait! It must be such an uninteresting way to use your drone just for aerial photography, right? No big deal. Let's go play AR games with Vitus. With the up-to-date Walkera goggles, you will enjoy first-personal view immersive flight experience of racing and air battle. So like anybody else, you don't like the big remote controller. No problem. This time we created a new transmitter. The foldable design makes it rather light and portable. Just unfold the holder and fix your mobile phone to make the transmitter usable. It supports one-key takeoff, orbit fly, waypoints fly, you could also tap the screen to activate the Smart Auto Follow function and unleash your imagination. The Smart app also makes it possible to preview, download, and manage your image data in real time. You can post your videos and images on your social network sites and share with your friends in real time. So this is Vitus, the best personal drone that combines various state-of-the-art technologies. It is designed to bring you different angles and brand new sense experience. This is technology. This is Vitus.